Hello, so this is part one. I'm not sure why this is not working properly. Hello, so welcome to part one. What am I going to show you? So let's look at the vegetables first. So I'm going to turn the camera around. So I have carrots, so that will be that. And what I did was I used my saladmaster cutter to cut them, and the cone I used was cone 5. So let me show you. That is not that, that's cone 3, and that should be cone 5. So if you look at the bottom there, it says cone 5 for the saladmaster. So all you just need to do is put it in there. I'm using one hand, so I'm not able to do that, and I don't want to mess about with this because okay, so I've managed to put it. Okay, so you put it in there and then you turn this right now. I didn't put it properly, but it does stay. So the reason it's not staying right now is because I'm doing all this with one hand, but when you do it yourself, you should be able to do it, fit it in properly, you know, and connect it. You need 2 hands to do it basically. So I used one, and then you just place the carrot at the top there while you turn this round, and then you end up with carrots that look just like this. So that's what it looks like. I wish this camera will show it better. So and then what I did was to put them in here to one side. So I used cone 5. Then I cut the white cabbage and the red cabbage, and you can see what I did. So I just cut it from this side and I cut this from there and just grated those ones. So what cone did I use? I used cone number 3. So that's cone number 3. So for the saladmaster. So again, you attach the cone there. Now be very careful because this is the edges are very sharp. So I just washed it out and cleaned it, but while I was washing it, I wasn't paying attention and I actually cut myself. So you can see my hand here where I cut it. So I had to quickly bandage it up, and it was bleeding a lot. When I mean a lot, it was bleeding a lot. So be very careful when you use saladmaster graters. It comes with 1 2 3 4 5, and each one gives you different sizes and different shapes for cutting up your vegetables. So when I cut them, so that's what I got. So that's the white vegetable, the red vegetable, the red cabbage and the white cabbage. Then I put some mixed vegetables on the side. So then all I just need to do, put 2 spoons of water at the base, cover it and cook it on medium heat. Once it starts making noise, so once you start hearing this make noise, it's still hot, that's why you're hearing that now. So once you start hearing that making noise, you turn it down to the very lowest heat and cook it for 10 minutes. And then after 10 minutes, you're done. Voila, your vegetable is ready for you to cook with. So that's the vegetable there. And can you see that it all retains its colors? And because it retains its color, that means that all the minerals in the food is still in there. And you can see the different colors equal to get lots of mineral vitamins that contains the natural vitamins in the food, not lost. And bearing in mind that I only put 2 spoons of water inside this, so I haven't lost any water. Now let's look at the base of the pot. So let's look at the very base there. You can see it's dry. There's no water there. Can you see that? So that means I don't lose all my nutrients in the water. My nutrients are still inside the vegetables. That means that when I eat the vegetables, I should be getting very nutritious vegetables. So I'm going to cover this up, and that's it for the vegetables. Yeah. So let's move on to part 2.